Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back. Look at that friends. Here too many vehicles. All vehicle is different. Look at that. Here I have lot of color vehicles. Awesome color. McQueen, luxury bus, city bus, helicopter. Look at that friends. Superb color. Wow, it's helicopter. It's blue color. Okay, take it out in basket. Let's take another one. Wow, it's plain. It's white color. Let's take a new one. Wow, it's city bus. Blue color. Okay, take new one. Wow, look at that. It's excavator, small. Okay, wow, look at that friends. School bus. Yellow color. Okay, it's also yellow color. Train. Superb. Take new one. This is Jeep car. Wow, it's green. Okay, throw out in basket. Let's take new one. Which one is? Yes, bus. This also city bus. It's red color. Looking cute. Wow, look at that friends. It's McQueen
Where's your
Sheriff.
lawyer? I don't know. Tahiti, maybe. He's got a timeshare there.
When a defendant has no lawyer, the court will assign one to him. Hey!
Sheriff. It's black color police car. Okay, take it out. Let's take new one. Wow, look at that friends. It's luxury bus. Wow, red color. Okay, it's sports. Car. Wow. This is dump truck. Wow, too much big. It's a mixer truck.
Mixer and I'm big and strong. I mix concrete and I pour it on. I'm a concrete mixer and I'm big and strong.
Wow, look at that. So cute. Okay. Take next one. Next one is transport car. Look at that, friends. It's It's too much big. Wow, blue color. Wow, there's also green bus. Okay, let's throw out in basket. Next one is McQueen. Wow, McQueen lighting. Look at that,
Now
friends.
remember Thomasville?
Thomasville?
Yeah, sneak through the window.
Wow, it's a double-decker bus. Look at that. It's blue color. Wow, look at that, friends. It's a police bus. It's truck crane.
Transformation! Yeah!
Superb color. Okay, take the last one.
Hey! Help me!
It's police car. Wow, thank you friend for watching.